So, hi dear Libras, how are you guys doing? So, this is a general love reading for all those who are in no contact with their particular person right now. And this is a reading from today till the end of June. So, I'm not going to clarify the energies, I'm just going to tell you the energies and what to expect from this person till the end of June. Okay, let's see. Libra, Libra, your current feelings for this person. Let's start with the reverse. Their current feelings for you. Okay, their current feelings for you, Libras, is Nine of Wands. I feel like this person is deeply hurt by something. Okay, so I feel like Libras, this person is, trying to come out of this hurt and pain, trying to come out of this situation that was creating hell lot of conflict in their mind, in their life in general. So basically this person is deeply hurt by something that happened in the past, and that is why they are creating a wall, okay, around them, and they're not letting anybody to go towards them, and they're emotionally off right now, they are emotionally closed off right now. This is what they are feeling for you right now. They're not ready to talk to you, they're not ready to you to listen to you, might be they're just acting adamant, and they're just acting might be little aggressive, detached, cold and off. This is their situation right now, but still they have a hope. They're standing their ground. Still they have a hope that everything is going to be fine soon. Yes, Libra, this is your person's current feelings for you. Let's see how you feel for them. Libra, let's see how you feel for them. Libras, how you feel for your person. Ace of Swords. I feel like you want to cut out the toxicity, to cut out the negativity, and you are ready for a brand new beginning, and you are ready for a successful relationship, successful partnership connection with this particular person. These are your feelings for them, Libra. So I feel like you just want to cut out the past from this connection, and you just want to start afresh, and you just want to cut out all the toxicity, all the negativity, every bullshit that happened in the past in this connection with this particular person. You want to cut that out. You want to start a successful relationship, a victorious relationship, a victorious connection with this particular person. This is what you are feeling right now for this particular person. Okay, let's see what this particular person wants from you, Libra. What this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Yeah, let's see. Temperance. I feel like this person wants you to control your emotions, control your anger, control your resentment against them. This is the Temperance card. They want you to be patient. They want you to wait for the right time. This is what they want from you. Temperance card is all about patience. Temperance card is all about, balancing your waters, balancing your emotions. And this person feels like this connection is imbalanced, or you are imbalanced. Okay, you are not in balance with your emotions. Sometimes you're overwhelming, sometimes you're just very detached. So that is why this person wants you to be emotionally balanced and be very patient and calm. This is what this particular person wants from you right now. This is how they are, judging this connection, judging you, that you are an impatient person might be in their eyes, or you are a person who are not balanced, who is not balanced at all, particularly towards your emotional life. That is why they feel like you should be patient and you should be, balanced. What to expect from your person till the end of June, Libra? What to expect from this person till the end of June? What to expect from this person till end of June? Knight of Cups. I feel like you guys will have a reconciliation. This person is coming towards you. This is the Knight of Cups. So I feel like your person is coming back towards you with a love offer, with a beautiful offer of, compatibility, beautiful offer of, might be friendship in the start, but that will eventually lead to the connection, lead to a very beautiful love offer or love connection. So I feel like this person wants to come towards you, and they just want you to be little patient, little calm, and little, balanced in your life. Then afterwards, whenever they are going to feel like, yes, this is now the right time to talk to you, Now you are balanced, now you are having that much potential to talk to to have a conversation for with. So this is like they are coming in towards you with an offer of love by the end of June. Okay, so if you're not feeling this energy right now, you might feel it in a little, while. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libras. This is your reading. This is reading for all those who are in no contact with each other. So I hope this person will come towards you and everything is going to be fine soon. So thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste. This is Anjali Tarot without specs today. So thank you so much for tuning in. Namaste. God bless you.